पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Yajnavalkya ji went to Janak Maharaj with the determination, this time I shall not teach. Janak Maharaj already had a Kama Prashna Varam, which was explained in the Agnihotra topic. So a question was raised, why the Brahma Vidya topic was not discussed during Agnihotra Vishaya Vijnana discussion. So the answer we are seeing 977 page. Bhashya, second last line. Tatraiva anuktir Brahma Vidyayaha karmana viruddhatvat. Tatra, in Agnihotra Vishaya Vijnana Prasanga, Brahma Vidya was not discussed. Anukti. Why? Karmana viruddhatvat. Because Brahma Vidya and Karma, they don't have same topic. Vidyayascha swatantriyat. Vidya is swatantra. टिप्पणी टीका सा ही स्वोत्पत्तौ स्वफले वा कर्माणि अपेक्षते सा ब्रह्म विद्या डज इट एक्सपेक्ट इन इट्स उत्पत्ति और इन इट्स फल कर्म मीन्स डज ब्रह्म विद्या एक्सपेक्ट कर्म फॉर इट्स उत्पत्ति और ब्रह्म विद्या एक्सपेक्ट्स कर्म फॉर स्वफल 10 नंबर टिप्पणी अविद्याध्वस्तौ इन अविद्या निवृत्ति न आद्यो अभ्युपगमात् we accept that karmani brahma vidya apekshate. Brahma vidya requires karma for its utpatti. How that we saw sarvapekshadhikarana in 9 number tippani. सर्वापेक्षा च यज्ञादि श्रुते रश्ववत् विविदिशन्ति यज्ञेन दानेन तपसा इत्यादिना यज्ञादि कर्मणां विविदिशा द्वारा ज्ञान साधनत्व श्रवणादित्यर्थः। ननु परंपरया ज्ञानोत्पत्तौ कर्मापेक्षावत् मोक्षे अपि अस्तु तदपेक्षा इति तत्र आह। परंपरया ज्ञान उत्पत्तौ कर्म अपेक्षावत्, in ज्ञान उत्पत्ति परंपरया ज्ञान उत्पत्तौ कर्म अपेक्षा is there. In moksha also there would be apeksha. So it is said no. तत्र आह अश्ववत् यथा अश्वो योग्यता बलाद रथचर्यायां विनियुज्यते. A horse, because of his yogyata, is fit for pulling the cart or chariot. न लांगल आकर्षणे. Langal means a plow, an axe. So langal akarshane na. In the same way, karma has yogyata for jnana utpatti. Karma does not have yogyata for what?
Moksha.
Moksha. This is 9 number tippani. See, टीका further. न द्वितीय अतएव च अग्निंधनादि अनपेक्षा इति न्याय विरोधात्. There is another Brahma Sutra quoted. न अतएव च अग्नि इंधनादि अनपेक्षा. 11 number. This is Sutra 3.425. स्वतंत्र पुरुषार्थत्वाद एव ब्रह्म विद्याया न अग्नि इंधनादि अपेक्षा अस्ति. अत्र अग्नि इंधन शब्देन स्व स्व आश्रम विहितानि कर्माणि लक्ष्यन्ते. अग्नि इंधन is like स्व स्व आश्रम विहित कर्म. For ब्रह्म विद्या न अग्नि इंधनादि अपेक्षा अस्ति. तथा च विद्याफले मोक्षे नास्ति कर्म अपेक्षा. Just as रजतादि भ्रम निवृत्तौ शुक्तिकादि ज्ञानस्य इव इत्यर्थः. ब्रह्म विद्या, for it to function and to remove avidya, it does not need karma. Brahma Vidya, for its utpatti, needs karma. How it is explained in the 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, everyone has to do their swakarma. And swakarma nirata siddhim yatha vindati tachunu. So when we perform swakarma, whatever is our kartavya karma, we will get preparedness, chitta shuddhi for jnana. Iti abhipretya a. So drishtanta is given just as for rajatadi brahma nivritti, shuktikadi jnana alone is enough. You don't need any other nitya karma, naimittika karma, other things. Rajata brahma nivritti will happen through shuktika jnana. Avidya nivritti will happen through brahma jnana. Iti abhipretya aha सहकारी. सहकारी साधनांतरापेक्ष साधन अनंतर साधनांतर निरपेक्ष पुरुषार्थ साधना इति च. ब्रह्म विद्या is स्वतंत्र, सहकारी साधन अंतर निरपेक्ष and पुरुषार्थ साधन. Sadhana means sadhika. In 6 number tippani is given. इत्यस्माच्च हेतोस् तत्रैवानुरक्ति अनुक्ति रीति संबंधः. For this reason also अस्माच्च हेतोः तत्रैव अनुक्तिः. In the Agnihotra prasanga, Brahma Vidya topic was not discussed. Now the Swayam Jyoti Prakarana question begins. Yajnavalkya किं ज्योतिरयं पुरुष इति आदित्य ज्योतिः सम्राट् इति होवाच. आदित्येनैवायं ज्योतिषास्ते पल्ययते कर्म कुरुते विपल्येति इति एवमेव एतद् याज्ञवल्क्य. Yajnavalkya, Janak Maharaj is asking. See, no wasting time. Yajnavalkya ji is there, direct Brahma Vidya discussion. Kin Jyotirayam Purushai. Kin Jyotihi. Kin Jyoti is one word. How will you do samasa? Vigraha?
Kim Jyotiryasya Saha Kim Jyoti.
Why Kin Jyoti? Why not Ka Jyoti? Anybody?
Ayam Purusha.
पुरुष कः पुरुष इज कः anybody else? Now you can answer all your Vyakarana question.
जीवः
Because
जीवः का का ज्योतिः यस्य सः
no,
पुरुषः
because Jyoti Shabda is Napunsaki. Jyotis. Because it is Napunsakling, therefore Kim Jyoti. Vigraha is correct. Kim Jyoti Rasya Saha Kim Jyoti. Anya Padartha is Purusha, but Jyoti is Napunsakling. So this Purusha is of what Jyoti? Yajnavalkya says Aditya Jyoti is Samrat. Because of Aditya Jyoti, Adityena eva ayam Jyotisha aste, he sits. Palyayate, he goes. Karma kurute, he performs karma. And vipalyati, he returns. Palyayate. Palyayate. Palyayate actually is ayate. Pari upasarga purvak ayate. But rakara becomes lakara. Repha gets latva adesha. There is a sutra. Upargasya yayatau.
उपसर्गस्याय
8 to 90. Ayati parasya upasargasya refasya latvam syat. So palyayate. And vipalyati is vi upasarga purvak pari. Yati. So because of the sun, he does all these activities. Janak Maharaj says, evam eva etad yajnavalkya. ठीक है. This is correct. ठीक है. याज्ञवल्क्य व्रतभंगे हेतुमुक्त्वा जनकस्य प्रश्नम उत्थापयति. In Yajnavalkya, the Vratabhanga, Vrata is his resolve was there, I will not talk, but now he has to talk. Why he talked? Because Janak Maharaj started this prasanga discussion. So, and he had Kama Prashna. So that Hetu is discussed. He Yajnavalkya iti evam sambodhya abhimukhi karanaya kin jyotirayam purusha iti kimasya purushasya jyotir yena jyotisha vyavaharati soyam kin jyotirayam prakritah purushah karya karana sanghata rupah shirah panyadiman purushah prachyate. So, what is the jyoti? Kimasya purushasya jyoti is kin jyoti, ayam purusha. Yena jyotisha, by that jyoti, he does all vyavahara. And he is karyakarana sanghata rupa. Aksharartham uktva prashnavakya vivakshitam artham aha. So the word meaning is given. Now what is the vivakshita meaning? This is the main discussion now. Kimayam swavayava sanghata bahyena jyotirantarena vyavaharati ahosvit swavayava sanghata madhyapatina jyotisha jyotishkaryamayam purusho nirvartayati iti etad abhipretya prachati. This purusha kimayam swavayava sanghata bahyena. So there is a karya karana sanghata. Our sharira, indriya, antakarana, etc. outside of this is a Jyoti, or Jyoti is part of this Sanghat. Sanghat bahyena Jyotirantарena vyavaharati, और स्व अवयव संघात मध्यपातिना ज्योतिष. Is it part of this assembly? ज्योतिष कार्यमयम पुरुषो निर्वर्तयति इति एतद् अभिप्रेत्य, with this intention he is asking. So you remember one of the topic that is going to be discussed in this chapter, I mean this Brahmana. First thing, what is going to be discussed?
Atma is different from Dehadi Samgata.
Vyatiriktatvam. Atma Anatma Viveka. That Vyatiriktatvam is the topic. Along with that, answer will be in the form of Swayam Jyotishtvam. Tika. Swa Shabdo Yathokta Purusha Vishaya. Swa Avayava. So Swa means this Purusha. ज्योतिष कार्यम इति आसनादि व्यवहारोक्ति. ज्योतिष कार्यम, in the presence of this Jyoti, the karya is in the form of asanadi vyavahara. Iti etad iti kalpadvayam paramrishyate. So now two vikalpas are there. Prashnadvaya api phalam pritchate. Okay, two questions could be there. What is the phalam? Why are we asking this? किंचातो यदि व्यतिरिक्तेन यदि वा अव्यतिरिक्तेन ज्योतिषा ज्योतिष कार्यम निर्वर्तयति. So व्यतिरिक्तेन ज्योतिषा, अन्वय you have to do this. व्यतिरिक्तेन ज्योतिषा वा अव्यतिरिक्तेन ज्योतिषा ज्योतिष कार्यम. ज्योतिष कार्यम मीन्स आसनादि व्यवहार. निर्वर्तयति. सप्तम्य अर्थे तसी. किंच अतः, that is given, that is tasi. So for in the meaning of Saptami. Uttaramaha Shrunu Tatra Karanam. He gives the answer now. Tatra iti paksha dvayokti, in the two pakshas. Karanam phalam iti आप. श्रुणु तत्र कारणम. कारणम मीन्स श्रुणु तत्र. Janam of asking whether you is part of Sanghara or outside Sanghara. Rated the pratham paksha. स्वपक्ष सिद्धि फलम. यदि व्यतिरिक्तेन Can you hear me now?
Yes, Swami.
व्यतिरिक्तेन एव यदि व्यतिरिक्तेन एव ज्योतिषा ज्योतिष कार्य निर्वर्तकत्वम् अस्य स्वभावो निर्धारितो भवति ततो अदृष्ट ज्योतिः कार्य विषये अपि अनुमास्यामहे व्यतिरिक्त ज्योतिर्निमित्तम् एव इदं कार्यमिति. यदि व्यतिरिक्तेन एव ज्योतिषा, if व्यतिरिक्तेन ज्योतिषा ज्योतिष कार्य निर्वर्तकत्वम् अस्य स्वभावो निर्धारितो भवति by Vyatirikta, Sanghat Vyatirikta Jyotisha, this Jyotish Karyam, Asanadi Vyavahara, all happens. If this is its Swabhava, Swabhava Nirdharito Bhavati Tata, Tato Adrishta Jyotihi Karya Vishaye Api Anumasyamahe. Then that Adrishta Jyoti, which is different from Sanghata, in Karya Vishaya also we can do Anumanam. Vyatirikta Jyotir Nimittam Eva Idam Karyam Iti. Karya Vishaya means in Jagrat, if Vyavahara is happening because of Vyatirikta Jyoti, in Swapna also we can say Vyavahara is happening because of Vyatirikta Jyoti. Tika. Shashti Purusham Adhikaroti. Where is Shashti?
Asya.
Asya. Asya Purushasya. Everybody should try to answer questions. Not just be there passively. And then say we don't get opportunity to answer, and these are simple questions. Yatra Karana Bhutam, and one should not worry whether I don't know the answer and it is wrong and it is going to get recorded and everybody will know. Don't worry about that. Yatra Karana Bhutam Jyotir na drishyate tat karyam tu asanadi upalabhyate tatrapi vishaye swapnadaviti yavat. Yat Karana Bhutam Jyotihi na drishyate. That Jyoti, which is the Karanam, because of which Vyavahar is happening.
Yatra is there, sorry.
Yatra. Karanabhutam Jyotirna Drishyate. There where, if it is not available, then Tat Karyam tu Asanadi Upalabhyate. If we see that, Tatrapi Vishaye Swapnadau iti yavat. So then, in the Karya Vishaya, when it is said, means in the Swapna. Anumanam eva abhinayati. Now he gives Anumanam. Vyatirikta Jyotihi Nimittam eva idam karyam. Vimatam Atirikta Jyotir adhinam Vyavaharatvat Sammatavat ityartha. Vimatam Atirikta Jyotir adhinam. What is Vimatam? Jagrat Kalina Atiriktam Asanadi Karyam. Jagrat Kalina Atirikta Asanadi Karyam. Atirikta Jyotir adhinam Vyavaharatvat Sammatavat. So Vimatam means that which is different from Jagrat Kalina Vyavahar, means Swapna Kalina Vyavahar. Swapna Kalina Vyavahar is also Atirikta Jyotir adhinam. Atirikta means
Different from.
different from what?
Outside of the Sanghata?
Sanghata. Different from Sanghata. Vimatam Atirikta Jyotir adhinam Vyavaharatvat. What will be the Vyapti?
यत्र यत्र व्यवहारत्वं तत्र तत्र अतिरिक्तज्योतिरधीनत्वम्.
यत्र यत्र व्यवहारत्वं तत्र तत्र अतिरिक्त ज्योतिरधीनत्वम्. Sammatavad, sammata is like Jagrat. So, like how in Jagrat it is accepted by all, so it is in Swapna. Pakshantaram anudya lokayata paksha siddhi phalam aha. Pakshantaram anudya. So now, having mentioned the Pakshantara, lokayata paksha siddhi phalam. Lok Arva paksha. अथ अव्यतिरिक्तेनैव स्वात्मना ज्योतिषा व्यवहरति ततो अप्रत्यक्षे अपि ज्योतिषी ज्योतिष कार्य दर्शने अव्यतिरिक्तमेव ज्योतिरनुमेयम्. अव्यतिरिक्तेनैव स्वात्मना ज्योतिषा व्यवहरति. By अव्यतिरिक्त ज्योति, अव्यतिरिक्तेनैव स्वात्मना ज्योतिषा व्यवहरति ततो, if it is, this is the second vikalpa. If that jyoti is not different from sanghata, sanghata avyatiriktena eva swatmana jyotisha vyavaharati tato apratyakše api jyotishi jyotish karya darshane, and that jyoti is apratyaksha, avyatirikta, but still it is not known. Jyotish karya darshane avyatiriktam eva jyotir anumeyam. Then avyatirikta jyoti anumanam should be done. So either way, whatever happens in Jagrat, we will get Vyapti from there. In Swapna, we will apply that Vyapti and we will do Sadhi Siddhi. Whether it is Sanghata Vyatirikta or Sanghata Avyatirikta Jyoti. For Swapna, it will be through Anumana. For Jagrat, it will be Pratyaksha. This is the discussion so far. Apratyakše api iti avyatiriktam iti chhedaha. In Bhasha it is given tato apratyakshe api jyotishi. So apratyakshe api iti avyatiriktam. In this way you have to do padachheda. Apratyakshe api. If Khandakar was not there, then Tato Pratyakshe would happen. Yes or no?
No.
No. Why?
Yes.
Jyoti.
Two forms are okay.
No, my question is, who was answering? You go ahead.
Like tato apratakshe with that Khandakala or without Khandakala.
Without Khandakara, Tato Pratyakshe, would that be correct form or not?
Yes.
Anybody else?
So without Jyoti Pratyaksha also its karya is happening.
You have to answer my question. My question is not about whether karya is happening or not. My question is, tato pratyakshe, would that be correct form or not?
Yes, Swami.
Tato pratyakshe would be correct form. How it would be correct form? If after visarga, if there is a pakara, what should happen? Ukar will come.
Tatak kukwo koho.
So tato will happen.
No.
This
If
is the
tatah
answer. This is the answer.
prataksha,
Tato will not happen. My question was, tato pratyaksha is correct form or not? It is not. It should become tataha pratyaksha. Because it is tato that guarantees there is a khandakara. That's why Tikakar says, apratyakshe api iti avyatriktam iti chhedaha. Kalpantaram aha. I hope everybody understood the question and then the answer also. This is simple, but requires thinking. There are some questions, they are simple and they only require ratified memory. Rote memory is enough. But other questions, they are very simple, but they require thinking. And then there are not so simple questions. Kalpantaram aha. Atha aniyama eva vyatiriktam अव्यतिरिक्तम वा ज्योति ही पुरुषस्य व्यवहार हेतु. दिस इज अनियमम. अनियमम व्याकरोति. व्हाट इज फर्स्ट विकल्प? ज्योति इज व्यतिरिक्त और अव्यतिरिक्त?
Vyatirikta.
That is vikalpa 1. Second vikalpa?
Avyatirikta.
Avyatirikta. Now third vikalpa is being done. That there is no niyama. Atha aniyama eva vyatiriktam avyatiristam va jyoti. Jyoti is whether vyatirikta or avyatirikta, there is no niyama. पुरुषस्य व्यवहार हेतुस्. ततो अनध्यवसाय एव ज्योतिर्विषय. Anadhyavasaya means there is no nishchaya about Jyoti. Whether it is part of the assembly or outside of the assembly, it is not nishchita. Tasmin pakshe vyavahara hetau ज्योतिषी अनिश्चयात् तद विकारो व्यवहारोपि न स्थैर्यम आलम्बेत इत्याह. Then its vikara vyavahara means in swapna also there is no sthairiam. Sthairiam, tippani 17. व्यतिरिक्त ज्योति साध्यो अयम व्यवहारो अव्यतिरिक्त ज्योति साध्यो वा अयम इति अन्यतर निश्चय न स्यात्. When the निश्चय is not there, तथा च सति अवश्य निर्वर्ति अपि कर्मणि निगाढतमे. Karmani, in your book, if it is karmani, then you correct it. Karmani nigadatame tamasi pravrittir na syat. Anishchayadva kadachit bahyam jyotir anupadaya eva. Pravartamano badhyata eva gartadau nipatan kantakadau shrishyan iti vyavaharo viplaveta ityartha. Avashya nirvarti api karmani. Karma which is to be accomplished, nirvartya. Nigadatame tamasi, where there is dark, thick darkness. You cannot do pravritti, pravritti na syad. Anishchayadva, if the Jyoti is part of the Sanghata, wherever you go, in darkness also there is light, because Jyoti is available. If it is external Jyoti, outside if it is darkness, you cannot work. न स्यात् अनिश्चयाद्वा, और there is no निश्चय. So कदाचित बाह्यम ज्योति ही अनुपादाय एव प्रवर्तमानो बाध्यता. And sometimes, let us say you start the work and bahya jyoti is not there, and suddenly you may fall in a ditch or kantaka, etc. Means the vyavahara will not have guarantee. Whether the jyoti is inside, outside, therefore vyavahara requires extra light or not, you don't know. स्थैर्यं न आलम्बेत इति अतः ततः अनध्यवसाय एव, अनध्यवसाय will happen ज्योतिर्विषये इति एवं मन्वानः पृच्छति जनको याज्ञवल्क्यं किं ज्योतिरयं पुरुष इति. So when there is no nishchaya, therefore Jyotir Vishayam, he is asking the question. Manvanaha. Manvanaha, what is the pratyaya? Manvanaha. Shanach pratyaya. But Man dhatu is in Divadigana and Tanadi. So this you have to take Tanadigana dhatu. And then there is a sutra, Tanadi Knibhya Uhu. So Man U, then Shanach, Ana will come, Man Vana, Vakar will come because of that. Otherwise it will become Manyamana. Iti evam manvan. With this intention, Janak Maharaj asked the question to Yajnavalkya. Vyakhyatam prashnam upasamharati iti evam iti. Prashnam akshipati. Somebody is doing akshepana. Nanu evam anumana kaushale janakasya kim prashnena swayameva kasman na pratipadyata iti. Janak Maharaj is expert by himself in anumana. Why does he need someone else? Why can't he do on his own? Swayam eva kasman na pratipadyate. Vyatirikta jyotir bubutsaya prashno bhavishyati iti chet tatra aha. If vyatirikta jyoti bubutsa bodhum ichha prashno bhavishyati iti chet tatra aha. Swayameva kasmad na pratipadyate. Why he cannot think on his own and know? Ragnyo Anuman Kaushalam Angikaroti. Yajnavalkya ji or Purva Pakshi's argument, Siddhanti accepts. Siddhanti says yes, Raja is Anumana Kaushala. He will do good Anumana. Satya. Kimiti tarhi pruchati, then why is he asking Yajnavalkya? तथापि लिंग लिंगी संबंध विशेषाण अत्यंत सौक्ष्म्यात् दुरवबोध्यतां मन्यते बहुनाम पंडितानां किमुदैकस्य. The लिंग लिंगी संबंध, one number टिप्पणी. लिंग means हेतु, Lingi means sadhya. Sambandha means vyapti. Hetu, sadhya, vyapti. In determining these, atyanta saukshmyat, this topic is very subtle. Duravabodhyatam is difficult to know. Bahunam api panditana. Even when there are many pandit together, they get confused. What to talk if there is only one? So this is why some such, if you want to strengthen your Nyaya ability, you have to also do discussion with like-minded people who have the strength to determine Hetu, Sadhya, Vyapti, and then what are the doshas, etc. व्याप्य व्यापकयोस् तत्संबंधस्य च अति सूक्ष्मत्वात्. व्याप्य means hetu, vyapaka means sadhya, and their sambandha, vyapti, they all are ati sukshma. Ekena durjnanatvat, one person may not be able to think clearly. Tad jnane yajnavalkyo api apekshita. Therefore, Yajnavalkya, a good teacher, is expected. Katham tesham ati sukshmatvam tatraha. Bahunam api. Many people cannot figure out. Lingadishu anekesham api vivekinam durbodhata asti. Kimuta ekasya teshu durbodhata vachya ityartha. What to talk about one person? If many people who are viveki also will have difficulty in determining hetu sadhya. In simple anumanam itself is so difficult. Tesham atyanta saukshmya manavim smritim pramanayati. That it is very subtle. Manavim smritim, manusmriti pramanayati. Atayeva sukshma dharma nirnaye parishad vyapare ishyate. So when sukshma dharma vishaya is there, it has to be discussed in assembly, in group, parishad vyapara. कुशलस्यापि सूक्ष्मार्थ निर्णये पुरुषांतरापेक्षायाः सत्वात् एव इति यावत्. Even a kushal person is there, but when sukshmartha nirnaya has to happen, purushantara apeksha is there. They need another person of intelligent caliber. Purusha vishesho vedavid adhyatmavid ityadi. What kind of Purusha Vishesha? Vedavid, Adhyatmavid, such person is required. Tatra smrityartham sankshipati, smrityartha. Purusha Visheshascha apekshate, dashavara parishat prayo va eko va iti. Dashavara means 10 people should be there in parishad. Or 3 at least, or 1, but that 1 means highly learned. Uktam hi, that's Smriti quotation given. Dharmena adigato yestu vedaha sampari brahmanaha ye shishta brahmana agneyaha shruti pratyaksha hetavaha. Yaihi धर्मेण अधिगतो वेदः सपरिब्रह्मणः ते श्रुति प्रत्यक्ष हेतवः शिष्टाः ब्राह्मणाः ज्ञेयाः. Those by whom the Veda becomes known along with its paribrahmana. Paribrahmana means itihasa, purana, etc. And dharmena adhigataha. Dharma means brahmacharyadi, shad mimamsa, shadanga mimamsa, dharma shastra, purana adi. Then those people by whom Veda becomes clear or Vedartha becomes clear, they are called Brahmana. They are Shishta, and they are Shruti Pratyaksha Hetava. For Shruti's Pratyaksha Jnanam, they become the Karanam, Hetu. And whatever that thing, I'll just read these shlokas. Dashavara va parishadyam dharma parikalpayet. Trevara va api vrittastha तम धर्मम न विचारयेत्। त्रैविद्यो हेतुकस्तर्की नैरुक्तो धर्मपाठकः त्रयश्च आश्रमिणः पूर्वे वर्षदेशा दशावरा. What is dashawara? He says परिषद्य, in a group, in an assembly, dharma parikalpayet. Dharmam, it should be. Visarga is there in your patha?
Yes, Swami.
Dharmam. Trevara. Or three. Vapi vrittastha. They also come but vrittastha. Three, but if they are engaged in other activities, karma, etc., then they should not be in this discussion. Tam dharmam na vichare. Traividyo hetukaha. Haitukaha. Tarki. Nairuto dharma pataka. The one who knows the three Vedas, and the Haitukaha means he knows the Hetu, etc. Tarki is able to do the Tarka. Knows Nirukti. Dharma Pathakaha is a Dharma Adhyapakaha. Trayascha Ashraminaha Purve Parshadesha Dashavara. The three from three ashrama, Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, or three from any one ashrama, either is okay. Their assembly is called Dashavara. Rigveda, Vid, Yajurvicha, Samaveda Vicha, Samaveda Videvacha, Trevara Parishadnyeya, Dharma Samshaya Niranaye iti. So he should be Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda with, then that is called Trevara. Or Ekova iti Adhyatma with, or one, the knower of Brahman. He is enough. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakatau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.